Okay, here today, ready to come off the bench, is a Dole 311/2. It's just running on a hexamine tablet in a little homemade tray. So we'll give that a bit of that in there, you see. Got his ladders and everything there. A working whistle. Beautiful. Alright. And away she goes. So there's a few parts of a one that sacrificed its life to make this one here go, and that's all made this all fairly tickety-boo. Chimney. Well, I don't know if I'll make a chimney for that or just leave it how it is and see if somebody wants to do something with it. What can I tell you? I just run them on hexamine fuel tablets, and here you'll see that it runs both ways. So it's a reversing thing. It's got a slip eccentric on it in here, you see. Alright, there's a couple of minutes of that. I don't want to bore you to tears. We'll just go out with a toot for Clinton, and thanks for watching.